Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will talk about all averaging concepts. So averaging double, averaging of long and averaging of integer. That is also we have as a part of a Stream API method. So if you look at here, there is a method called get list of students which will give you the list. So you can call a stream and then dot collect and you are writing that the collector. So collectors dot averaging double. So just you call this method averaging double, and what do you want to average? So you want to do the averaging of this age, right? So what is the average age your list of a student has, right? So your output is going to be here double, because you are averaging the double, your output is going to be the double, and you do the output. Just print the output. So let's see that what average you will get. Average you will get 24.28571. So this is the double output you will get. So basically when you will sum this and when you divide by 7, you will get the same 24.28 something, right? So averaging double will basically will give you the average of your stream what you want to process, right? Similarly, there is another method I have designed. In the list I am adding that double record 1 to 10, and again dot collectors dot averaging double. So again I am doing that averaging double here also. It will give me the average of that 4.5. You can try that, you can sum 0 to 10 and try to divide by 10, you will get 4.5. Similarly you have something called averaging int. So averaging int, only the difference is the same method get list of students dot stream dot collect. So a stream you can call because it's a list, then dot collect, and then collectors dot averaging int. So averaging int, I want to average the age, right? I want to average the age, and output will come as a double. So guys, though you will do averaging int, averaging long or averaging double, your output will always come as a double, because you are trying to do average, and average cannot be integer. Average can be, but ideally average should be, the output should be double, because double will accept everything, integer, long, short, right, other data. So it should be always double. So you will get output as a double. So let's run this. So you are getting that 24 here. So one thing you can understand here what is the output you are getting? 24. How you are getting 24? Because double has a method called init value. So basically I am calling that init value and I am getting the output as a integer. Okay, I am getting the output as a integer. Now sorry, go to another example where I have list of integer. Okay, I have data is equal to list of integer, and then I'm adding the integer data to the list, and I'm doing that collector dot collect. Inside the collect I have to write collectors. So collectors dot averaging int. So whatever I am supplying, I'm writing one function. So whatever integer I supply, I'm returning the same. So it will do average of the integer, and your output is going to be the double. So again here you will get 4.5 because it's a double. But then how this is beneficial, like where we should use average int, right? So let's say here I have list of integer data, so I should use average int. What happens if I'll use here averaging of double? Right, will this give any problem? It will not give me any problem. It will not give me any problem. But if I have here, let's say in this case, assume that the first case here, this example one, here I have a double data. Can I write here averaging of int? Cannot, right? It will give me the compile time error. It will tell me type mismatch. So you got it. When your list has double type of data, you can do only averaging double, but when your list has integer type of data, you can do that averaging double and averaging int, both will work fine. It will just do average, guys. Now just press Ctrl, click on averaging int. So look at the output, it's a double. Okay, if you look at the output, it's a double. Now similarly you have averaging long. There is no much different concept wise. Same collectors dot averaging long, you are averaging the age, right? And you are using that averaging long. So you can use this averaging long, let's say if your data is of long type. When data is not of long type, you can go for int also, that is fine. Averaging int or averaging double, both works fine. So since again here the output is going to be the double, so you can write here, instead of int value you can write output dot long value. So from double is the wrapper class, guys, right? So we can make use of wrapper class method. I can do long value, you will get the output. Your output again remains same here. Since it is the long, you will get 24 when you do average. And the second one where you have in the list has a long data and you are doing that averaging long, and this is the functions, right? So this functions, how it works is, let's say I will write one function just to show you. I have written n number of times. I am saying that my function has long input, and what I want is I want long output. That's what it is, the meaning of this, right? A map to A, right? So take long, give me long, simple. That's how this works, guys. And with this we are done with the averaging concept in Stream API. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this.